the agony and ecstasy of chanting Hare Krishna. Agony means the pain and suffering, the misery and the hopelessness that arises, and then sometimes that's counterbalanced by the extreme joy and happiness. So there's 2 points, a couple of points that came to mind. First point is that your description, why you're experiencing, you're saying that I feel great joy and happiness from chanting japa or Harinam, Kirtan, Sankirtan, and that your experience is that, and experience of millions of devotees worldwide. And how is that? Because Krishna's mercy. Krishna is His holy name, and Krishna is an ocean of sweetness. It's in Skanda Purana Hari Bhakti Vilas 11.2.3.4. Madhura Madhura Maitan Mangalam Mangalanam. This is a famous verse. Sakala Nigamavali Satpalam Chit Sarupam Satkrid Apiparigitam Shadaya Helaya Va Brigovara Naramatram Tarayat Krishnanama. So this is some person, can't say, but someone is glorifying. It's from the Puranas, maybe Narada Muni, or who can say. Someone is glorifying, oh, best of the Brigu dynasty. So someone is speaking to the best of the Brigu dynasty, Brigovara. Keshavadrita Brigupati Rupa. So Brigu, the father of Parasuram, I believe, is Brigu. So the person could be speaking of Parashuram. At any rate, he says Krishna's name is the sweetest of all sweet things, and the most auspicious of all auspicious things. So it's sweet, Madhura Madhuram, Mangalam Mangalanam, completely sweet, beneficial, auspicious, positive, and full of blessings. And it is the fruit, it is the Vali Satphalam, it is the eternal fruit on the creeper of all the nigamas, of all the Sakala Nigama, of all the Vedic literature. Vali means creeper. Chit Sarupam, and this name is the very form, a form of consciousness, a form of Krishna. Satkirapi Parigitam Shadahelyava. It's so special, this holy name of Krishna, that if you only chant one time, if you chant with faith, Shradaya, or you're just mocking the holy name, Helya. Helya means chanting neglectfully, chanting spaced out, chanting half asleep, chanting because, well, I guess I'm supposed to chant, whatever, I'll chant, and not too much desires. Still, when you're done, your japa sankhya, your daily japa sankhya, number of rounds per guru's order, still you feel everything is very auspicious and things are very good. So this is the nature, the blessings of Krishna is so kind. No matter how we chant His holy name, even once, this is the power. And then it says, Tariyat. It says, the last line says, and this chanting can deliver one from the ocean of birth and death. So the chanting of Krishna's name is Radha and Krishna. We're associating with Radha and Krishna.